17 July 1897 in Rerukana in the Kalutara district. His lay name was Ruben Gunawardana. He had his primary education at Didiyagoda School. Venerable Rerukane Chandavimala Nayaka Thero entered the order as a novice Buddhist monk on 8 January 1906. His teacher was a Burmese Buddhist monk. His name is Vinayalankara Mahathero. Venerable Rerukane Chandavimala Nayaka Thero received his higher ordination in Burma on 26 October 1970. He is very famous as a meditating trainer, as an author. He has written Buddha Niti Sangrahaya, Paticca Samuppada and Ubaya Pratimoksha. He was conferied of title Professor of Abhidhamma by Vidyalankara University. He passed away on 4th July 1987. Thank you. Let me listening. May the people